Welcome to ShoWork. This is your account manager home base, the first thing you see every time you sign in. Let's walk through it together. Right at the top is your status. ShoWork tells you whether you have inspections in progress, drafts to finish, or whether you are all caught up. This card is your quickest way to begin. Start a new inspection from here anytime, and ShoWork takes you straight to your properties. These three numbers are your snapshot: inspections you submitted this month, drafts still in progress, and any findings that are overdue. Below that, your recent inspections. Every walk you have done, newest first, so you can reopen any one of them in a single click. Up here is your navigation. Dashboard brings you home, properties lists everywhere you work, and inspections holds your full history. Your name and settings live in the top corner. That is where you manage your profile, your language, and your account security. That is the whole dashboard. Everything you need to start a walk and stay on top of your findings in one simple screen.